Welcome to London Heathrow. Your plane has just arrived at Terminal 2, also known as the Queen's Terminal. You're connecting from one international flight to another. Good news, you are staying in the same terminal, so you will not need to change buildings or take a bus. Terminal 2 is a major Star Alliance hub. You'll likely have arrived on airlines like Air Canada, Lufthansa, United, ANA, Singapore Airlines, Air India, or Aegean. Destinations flow here from across Europe, North America, Asia, and the Middle East. As you step off the plane, ignore the exit to baggage claim and immigration. Instead, look for the overhead signs showing a purple background with an airplane symbol. They say, Flight Connections. Follow this purple path. It will lead you through a long, slightly curved corridor. You will not need to pass through UK border control because you are staying airside and transiting internationally. Heathrow usually assigns gates closer to the time of departure, but will tell you which gate area to go to. Check your boarding pass or the screens in the terminal for the gate area, and check the screens at the time your flight gate is announced. Heathrow requires all international to international connecting passengers to be re-screened for security, even if you never left the terminal. This is standard procedure. You will enter a dedicated flight connection center. Here, you will present your boarding pass for the next flight and have your hand luggage scanned. Liquids must be under 100 milliliters and fit in a clear bag. Laptops and tablets go in a separate bin. This process is efficient, but queues can take 10 to 20 minutes during peak times like mid-morning or early evening. After security, you will emerge into the main departures lounge. Follow signs for gates A, B, or C, depending on your connecting flight. Terminal 2 serves over 50 airlines. Popular onward international destinations include Frankfurt, Zurich, New York, Newark, San Francisco, Hong Kong, Mumbai, and Singapore. Heathrow's official minimum connection time for international to international at Terminal 2 is 90 minutes. However, aim for at least 2 hours to account for security screening and walking distances. Some gates are a 15-minute walk from the connection center. You will find duty-free shops, coffee and food shops, ample seating, charging points, and the terminal's famous outdoor terrace, the only one at Heathrow. You've successfully transited Terminal 2. Follow the purple signs, pack your liquids properly, and you'll be on your way to your next destination. Remember, you do not need a UK visa for an airside connection if you hold a valid onward boarding pass and your nationality does not require a direct airside transit visa. Always check UK government rules before traveling. Safe travels through London. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, leave a comment, or subscribe to see my other videos. Thanks for watching.